Okay, here we go. We have been putting on these moldings, the chrome moldings, on this truck. And I didn't video it because it was kind of a bugger. And I watch a lot of videos on how to do it. We added the cowl induction hood emblem too. But I did a lot of videos figuring out how to do this the easiest and the best and safest. The only thing I did wrong is, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a dent in this molding, this corner molding. I had to re-drill these holes in here, which is back here. You can hear the screw. This one's a press-in one, or yeah, it's down here. There's a press on one here, and it was quite the process doing that, but I think they came out pretty good. My mess of tools here. I just got this piece on. There is nothing going down this side, so my plan is to put this on today, maybe tomorrow. Today, tomorrow, a couple days, I don't know. Yeah, that's what we're working on. I will set this up so I can video on how I do it. And I've got limited space because of that car up there is kind of in my way, but out of my way, if you know what I mean. So we're going to get back to that one, but we've got to finish this square body. And we also have to finish the 57 Chevy pickup for Darcy, because that's going to be her cruiser. So anyways, let's get started on this and see what we can do. Oh. Give you a sneak peek of what's going on in here. It's getting closer. Got the carpet in. I got the shifters in, which you can't, it's kind of hard to see in here. I got some more wires to hide down there. I got my glove box in, the dash in. I still got to screw down the gauge deal and put a couple more things in, clean the interior up. And I got to do moldings around this glue-in rear window that I put in, which was really cool. I just dig that. That looks so good on this square body. Yeah. All right. We will get stuff ready here.